Good afternoon, everyone. This is Emma. Today is Sophisticated Saturdays. It is hosted by the Lady of Elegance, Emma Stunts Adventure, and the Grace Life Home Decor. Their guest is Jody Cozy Cottage. So come along with me as I show you my sophisticated Saturday. And what I've done here, I have decorated my entry table. So I'll go ahead and let you take a look at it, and then I'll tell you where everything has come from. Okay, so my vase here was from Goodwill, and what I've done, I've went in, it was like a wood tone. I went in and painted it gold and left the silver on top. My first book is from the Goodwill, and the other one is a Tom Ford. My candelabra is also from the Goodwill. And this beautiful bowl you see here, it's actually an ice bucket from the Goodwill. And what I've done, I've went in and placed the pumpkins. On the side, you see a couple of pumpkins and a pear. And I have placed these in a tray that I purchased from Burlington's. The lamp is from Dillard's. The book here is from Hobby Lobby. The black circles here are from the Dollar Tree, and the pumpkin is from Hobby Lobby. The pineapple is from Ross's, and the knot is from Burlington's. The planner here is from Burlington's, and the pumpkin is from the Dollar Tree. The stacked gold is also from Burlington's. The little lantern here is a Goodwill find, and as you can see, I went in and placed a couple of pumpkins and a vine. The vase here is from Ross's, and the pumpkins are from Hobby Lobby. Hope I've given you some ideas today on your entryway. If you are part of the design team, I want to thank you for coming along with me today. And if you're not a part of the design team, I ask that you hit that like, subscribe, comment, and don't you forget to ring that bell. This is Emma. I will be seeing you in my next video.